Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by deciding which wallet type matches your needs. A hardware wallet costing 0 to 00 stores keys offline, while software wallets on phone or desktop are convenient but exposed. Choose a mnemonic length. 12-word or 24-word seed phrase defines your backup and recovery approach. For daily spending, software works. For long-term holdings over 000, prefer hardware. Always enable two-factor authentication where available, and keep your seed phrase offline and private to prevent remote theft or phishing. Create your wallet by downloading software only from the official site and verifying the checksum or signature to avoid tampered installers. When initializing, generate a new seed phrase and write the 12-word or 24-word phrase on durable metal or paper, storing it in a safe, offline location. Set a strong password and optional passphrase for additional security. Before moving large funds, send a small test transfer, for example 0 or 0. 001 BTC, confirm private key control, then fund the wallet gradually. Maintain security by keeping device firmware and wallet software up to date, and avoid using public Wi-Fi or unknown networks for transactions. For significant balances, implement multisig or store funds on a hardware wallet, especially if holdings exceed 000. Create multiple backups. Store one seed copy in a home safe and another in a separate secure location or safe deposit box. Never photograph, type, or share your seed phrase or private key. Treat them like cash. Regularly review device permissions and revoke unused apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.